Hi, I'm Drew. Welcome to the Baker's Woodshop. And in this video, I'm going to show you a little quick project that I don't think you were expecting. Come on, let's have a look. When the homeowners moved in, they saw something missing. Can you see it? Doorbell cover. For some reason, this is gone. We don't understand why, and it was there when we looked at the pictures online when the house was for sale. I think we should build something. Come on, let's head into the shop. Now that I've taken a few measurements, the rest is pretty simple. I grabbed some 1/8-inch plywood. I decided to lay out my lines so I know exactly where to cut. This is actually a great tip if you ever want to make good cuts and save a little wood. Now we just need to take it over to the scroll saw. It's a bit of a tight fit with everything in here right now. Hopefully this will all be resolved within a short amount of time. I've got myself ready to go here, though you can't really see, but if you look over here on the other cam, I'm ready to make my cut. But before I go chopping and hacking, we gotta talk about safety. Read the manuals that come with your power tools. The better you understand and follow all the rules and guidelines that come with that tool, the less likely you are to cause personal injury either to yourself or someone else. But of course, the greatest protection you could ever take, eye protection. You'll be thankful the day this comes in handy. Let's just hope it never does. All right, let's get started. I probably could have used 1/4-inch ply over 1/8, but I didn't think I'd need something that thick. So when I made my cuts, I made sure to make pieces that were 1/8 inch smaller on all 4 sides. Now I'm gluing them up together. I'm also using these binder clips because they can make great clamps for something this small. Sound has got to come out. So we're going to have to drill some holes. Before I forget, I better drill a couple holes for the screws. Now, by request of the homeowner, we're going to paint it red. Much better. And it looks nice too. I gotta say, this is the most unique project I've built so far. And who knows, maybe it'll inspire you, because you never know where a project's gonna come from. Alright, that's all I got for today. Hopefully I'll see you next time, right here on the Baker's Woodshop.